Hello viewers, a lot of users want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, so they are waiting for the right offers to avail this tablet. In this video, I am going to share the offers on Amazon.in where you can buy this tablet at an enticing price. Using HDFC credit card, you can get cashback up to 4,000 rupees and the effective price will be 31,000 rupees. So in 31,000 rupees, should you buy Tab S9 FE? We will discuss in this video. Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE is a 10.9-inch tablet. It comes with LCD display and the display quality is also very good. You can play HDR content on YouTube. However, if you want a bigger display, you should go for Tab S9 FE Plus, which comes with 12.4 inches of LCD display. You will get 90Hz refresh rate with Tab S9 FE. Moreover, it comes with a powerful performance with Exynos 1380 SoC. However, Samsung should have provided Snapdragon processor because Exynos processors heats up a lot. Tab S9 FE comes with 8000 mAh battery, which will give you enough juice to run the device and you will get a very good screen on time along with this tablet. Along with Tab S9 FE, you will get a Spen in the box which comes free of cost. With the use of this Spen, you can do a lot of productive things like sketch, drawing, and also you can take screenshot, write on the screenshot and do many more things. This is an added bonus. Tab S9 FE is also good for multimedia consumption and it comes with dual speakers tuned by AKG, so you will have great stereo experience. The base variant of Tab S9 FE comes with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The current price of Tab S9 FE on Amazon.in is 34,999 and using HDFC credit card you can get extra 4,000 rupees cashback. Moreover, you will get no cost EMI option along with this tablet. You can get 3 months, 6 months, 9 months and 12 months no cost EMI option along with this tablet if you have HDFC credit card. So this is a great offer. You can buy this. EMI option is available for you. So if you want a compact tablet, you can go for Tab S9 FE. This will definitely give you enough performance and will make you happy. Now the question arises whether you should buy Tab S9 FE or go for another tablet. If you have a tight budget and you cannot spend around 40,000 rupees and you want a tablet which will give you software updates for the upcoming 3 to 4 years, in that case you can buy Tab S9 FE. Otherwise, there are 2 more options that you can buy at a cheaper price. You can buy Tab S6 Lite at a price point under 20,000 rupees, or you can go for Tab S7 FE which comes under the price point of 25,000 rupees. S6 Lite and Tab S7 FE comes with Snapdragon processor, whereas Tab S9 FE and S9 FE Plus comes with Exynos processor. Now you have to choose whether you like processor or you like future software updates. Let me know in the comment sections below which tablet you are going to buy. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.